Alright, Brother Robson. This is like the third time I'm doing this introduction, but whatever. Okay. Going to enhancement. Go to type that into the thing. Products. And we are here at the products management. Don't mind this nav bar right now. I'm going to fix it, but at least it's working now. I had to work on it this week, but anyway. Alright. Okay. Validate local CSS. We're good. Validate local HTML. We're good. Thank goodness. Alright. Should lead us to the categories page using the index. Alright. Yep, we went there. And yep, we went there. So first I'll go into add a category. What we'll do here, validate. We're good. Validate local HTML. Right. We're good. Perfect. Now we are going to add a category and we're going to name it, I don't know, potato. Add it. Perfect. Okay, we have potato right here where it wasn't before. So we're good, but yeah, might as well just take that out now. Oh yeah, and show you proof that it actually made it in there. Yeah, we got potato right here. I'm going to delete that right now because I don't need it. Alright. So we are good on the product management. Ow, my eyes. Okay. Product. Alright. Let's validate. Congratulations, no error found. Big surprise. This is my 4th time doing it, I think. Alright. Is that? Alright, yeah. So all 3 of our views are alright. Let's delete that. Alright, so in order to show what this is, we're gonna do we get a canon. We're not gonna name the new product your mom. That was just for experimental purposes. We'll call it magic. Description, magical. And here I chose type files, but it seems to work, so I'm just gonna leave it. Looks cooler that way, more professional, I like to say. But, you know, here we have to put a number, else it just won't show up. Stock 4, size 4444, weight 4, I don't know, vendor name, Pizza Hut, material type, magic stuff, I guess. I'm going to add. New product has been added. We got the response. Cool. And now let's go database. Alright. Yep, cool. We got magic as a new product. It's magical. Same stuff for the thumbnail and image. Price, stock, 4444. I don't know, Pizza Hut and magic stuff. Perfect. Alright. Was there anything else? Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're doing good. Alright. Cool, perfect. Oh, I hope you like the background music. Alright, and I'm just gonna end this video. Have a happy Halloween, brother.